Running Sean, I'm always sleep. MJ rock your world like Lee. Mighty Ducks, no, I'm that guy. All my wrongs, no, I had to write. Work putting in, do it all the time. Man, them linking, it's always vibes. Float so low, everything takes time like Kendrick, we gon' be alright. No, I'm the man, I'm about that action, putting on weight like Bronson. Soon we'll tour with all of my brodies, doing up shows and concerts. Worldwide thing all over the continent, doing up mosh in Asia. Ain't got time for a rascal hater, man, only in for the paper. Also different, brand new flavor, swear on my life that mine's so sweet. Go wanna taste, but I ain't got time, cause I don't wanna beat and ski. Boss like Ross, Jean chase like me, on the move, can't take a seat. Humble guy, no halo, still I'm fly like Angel, man, I want peace.
Ain't got no time for the coulda vibe, we getting lit. Might stay in the clip. Yeah, you gonna hang with the crew. Smoking good.
That's the basic outline of everything. Now I'm just gonna add in the clothes I wanna wear. You do the same on your side. Time to get.
But I prefer Gorilla Glue. One on my face, one on my. I'll let you choose. Then I'ma finish on your face like pew pew pew. Six bag for the wrist, 6 bag for the chain. I don't hang with lames. 8 paper what I chase. Brody beat the case. So home all the way.
Jump off a high horse, car out and slide. Cooking beats on high, ain't gonna lie, it might revive. I ain't walking on no dead, instead I'm in the sky. In disguise, there's this guy with brains ready to fry. I got plenty remedy, she can feel it in my jeans. Couldn't even touch her feet, blurred her memories. Waving in a car, tools dripping from the crow. I see cherries on the top, BBS leveling up.
Christian Dior on the buckle, so you know I'm back in the saddle. Watching these phones.
Here I'm straightening up the lines because I realized they were a bit wonky. So this is the most difficult part, drawing the head. I kind of start it off by if the person's got like a slim, long face, then that's how you draw the shape. Some people have flatter heads, like they're more boxy. Again, I'm adding more drip. If you want to draw a t-shirt, a jacket, do whatever you want to do. I'm going to speed this part up just because we're probably not drawing the same thing.
These niggas watching, can't get distracted, never subtracting, I'm only adding, straight to the top, never climb, never wash, I'm the wolf, I'm the cream of the crop, bury me on top, all my niggas off, she said she want me, I wanted the moon, I wanted my mom, next to the moon, I said, little shawty, you bad for the moon, you bad for the vibe, won't die for the dude.
So obviously here I'm drawing myself, so I'm making the eyes a bit more narrow, because that's just how I look. Usually the Rick and Morty eyes are a bit more round. This is obviously a personal preference to how you look. If you have more circular eyes, you're more circular. You can do a Google search on characters that might have the same eyes as you. That's what I did, and then that gives you a guide of the eye shape.
That's kind of my action. These niggas watching, can't get distracted, never subtracting, I'm only adding, straight to the top, never climb, never wash, I'm the wolf, I'm the cream of the crop, bury me on top, all my niggas off, she said she want me, I wanted the moon, I wanted my niggas next to the moon, I said little shawty, you bad for the moon, you bad for the vibe, won't die for the dude.
Same thing with the nose. If your nose is more pointy, obviously draw it differently. Mine's a bit more rounded, so I'm drawing mine like this.
Hold my way like only want my wish. No, they haven't settled what was on my list. this time. They were tryna get it on the low low.